Okay, folks, in this 3-mark indice or index question, we're asked to work out the value of 2 to the power of 14, and I'm dividing it by 2 to the power of 9 in brackets, okay, squared, okay, or to the power of 2. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form, and it's worth 3 marks from an AQA higher tier past paper for GCSE. So the first step, guys, is to use our index law to simplify this part here first. So when I've got a base raised to a power in brackets raised to another power, what do, guys? I call it the power to power rule. We multiply the powers. Okay, so we're going to have 2 to the power of 14 divided by 2 to the power of 9 times 2 makes 18. Okay, what next, guys? Well, now I'm dividing with the same base. Okay, I'm going to subtract those powers. I'm going to subtract those indices. So it's 2 to the power of 14 minus 18. And 14 subtract 18, guys. 14 take away 18 is minus 4. So it's 2 to the power minus 4. Now it says give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So we're now actually going to evaluate this part here. 2 to the minus 4, guys, what does that mean? Well, a negative power, a negative indice, makes it 1 over, okay, what it otherwise would have been. So it's 1 over 2 to the positive power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4, okay, the numerical value stays the same. And 2 to the power of 4, guys, is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. So we get 1 over 16, or 1/16th as our answer. And that is worth 3 marks from a higher tier GCSE Maths exam past paper. Okay, looking at simplifying with our laws of indices. Okay, remember, when you've got a base raised to a power, raised to another power, okay, we multiply the powers. Okay, so it's going to be equivalent or the same as x to the power of AB or BA, so A times B. When you're dividing with the same base, you subtract the powers. When you multiply with the same base, you add the powers, key, and they are your main 3 laws of indices for GCSE Maths.